The Larson Electronics metal clad switchgear is designed for reliable, safe, and convenient power distribution at industrial work sites. Designed for pad mounting installations, this bottom feed switchgear is protected by an outdoor rated steel enclosure with a ventilated design. This service entrance switchgear provides a safe and reliable way for operators in industrial settings to tap into and utilize power sources independently of the work area. Compatible with 27 kV AC, this switchgear features a manual operating handle and is rated for 1250 amps. This switchgear is a comprehensive solution that integrates innovative components. The unit includes single bus bar cabinets, double bus bar cabinets, and double layer cabinets. This switchgear offers a full range of products, enriching system solutions and enhancing the operational efficiency of the switchgear. This unit provides a variety of solutions designed to meet different on-site user needs. This switchgear offers a range of options that fully address installation and operational requirements. The single bus bar and double layer cabinets of this switchgear can be seamlessly combined without the need for connecting cabinets, optimizing space utilization efficiency in the switchgear. This switchgear is suitable for outdoor use and applications including but not limited to solar equipment, data centers, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, hazardous location operations, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.